I wonder if you consider this a fidget toy. If you do, I wonder if this is something that you'd be curious enough to figure out how to solve. It takes me about 2.5 minutes to solve it while I'm not talking. I don't know, it might take me faster to solve it if I had a better cube. I've been looking for a better cube. I found someone with one, but it was maybe like a 6-year-old. And when I asked his mom where they got it from, she said it was a gift. By the way, I got this from my sister. This is the second one I've gotten from her. She doesn't know how to solve it, but she keeps getting it. And even after trying to teach her how to solve it, I got interested because she was curious about it. And after I figured out how to solve it, I tried teaching her, but I don't know. Okay, this is the continuation. That's what makes it a terrible cube, because it's not, the movement is not so fluid. But the one I found with the 6-year-old was so fluid. It's a different design, different materials, and I feel like I definitely should get my hands on that. I solved the first 2 layers. Now I'm about to solve the last layer.